Yeah, me too. It's the worst. You've got to scramble, borrow a friend's phone, the whole ordeal. But what if there was a way to avoid that awkward shuffle? A way to be the payment person, the hero who swoops in with a digital flourish and saves the day? Well, fret no more, friends. Because today we're diving into the world of topping up your Venmo account. We'll be talking about all the ways to add funds, so you can be the Venmo master of your domain. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. Venmo does have a limit on how much you can add at once and in a certain time frame. These limits can change, so it's always a good idea to check the Venmo app itself for the latest info. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get down to business. The OG way, from your bank account. This is the classic, the bread and butter. To add money from your bank account, you'll need to have it linked to your Venmo profile. If you haven't already done that, no worries, it's a breeze. Just open the Venmo app, tap on the U tab, it usually looks like a silhouette of a person, and navigate to settings. From there, you should see an option to add bank or debit card. Follow the prompts, enter your info, and voila! Your bank account is now ready to fuel your Venmo adventures. Once your account is linked, adding money is simple. Head back to the U tab, and this time, tap on Manage Balance. You'll see a glorious button that says Add Money. Click that bad boy, choose from bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer, and hit Add. Just like that, you're good to go. The Speedy Gonzalez, using your debit card. Need a top-up on the fly? Your debit card can be your speedy savior. Similar to adding from your bank account, make sure your debit card is linked to your Venmo profile. Once it's ready to go, follow the same steps as adding from your bank account. Navigate to the U tab, tap Manage Balance, then Add Money. This time, select from debit card, enter the amount you want to add, and hit Add. Ka-ching! You're ready to pay your way through the day. Important note, fees ahoy! There's a small caveat to using your debit card. While it's super convenient, Venmo charges a 3% fee for instant transfers using your debit card. So, if you're adding $20, you'll be charged an extra 60 cents. It's not a huge amount, but it's something to keep in mind, especially if you're making frequent top-ups. The wild card, Venmo debit card. If you're a frequent Venmo user, the Venmo debit card might be your new best friend. It's a debit card linked directly to your Venmo balance. You can use it anywhere debit cards are accepted, and guess what? Adding money to your Venmo balance becomes even easier. Just swipe your Venmo debit card at a participating store that offers cash back and reload your balance on the go. There is a fee for this service, typically around $3.74, but it can be a convenient option if you find yourself needing to add cash frequently. Security matters, keeping your Venmo safe. No matter which method you choose, remember to prioritize security. Always make sure you're using the official Venmo app and avoid adding money through third-party websites or links. When entering your bank account or debit card information, double-check everything before hitting submit. So you've got the power. And there you have it, folks. With these methods in your arsenal, you'll never be caught empty-handed in the Venmoverse again. You'll be the payment hero, the smooth operator who keeps the good times rolling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.